Hi everybody, it's 11:07 and 16 seconds on November 15th. This is the mini number 2 for the X-Men 1019.6. Over here are the 20 filled spots. In this mini, whoever comes in first place will get the first 5 available spots in the main. Whoever comes in second place will get the next 2 available spots in the main. Whoever comes in third place will get the next single available spot in the main. People that have multiple spots could come in first, second, and third in this mini. So let's roll our 3 dice. The number is lucky 13. And away we go. Best of luck, everybody. That was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and here comes the final one, 13. Ken Saxon, Mike Topping, John Garner. Congratulations. Time is 11:08.